Now that we understand what Python is, let's install it on our computer. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. Once the website opens, move your mouse to the downloads section at the top of the page. Python will usually detect your operating system automatically, whether you are using Windows or macOS. After the installer finishes downloading, open it. This part is very important. Before clicking install, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This allows your computer to recognize Python from the command line. Without this option, Python may install correctly, but your terminal might not know where to find it. After checking that box, click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. When the installation is finished, we need to verify that Python is working. On Windows, click the search icon, type terminal, and open it. Inside the terminal, type python -- version. If Python was installed correctly, you should see the installed Python version displayed on the screen. For example, Python 3.14.5. That means Python is now ready on your Windows computer. If you are using macOS, the process is similar. Go to python.org, open the download section, and download the latest macOS installer. After installing Python, open the terminal on your Mac, then type Python 3 -- version. On macOS, we usually use Python 3 instead of Python because some systems may reserve the word Python for older versions or system tools. If the terminal shows a Python 3 version, then Python has been installed successfully. So the full process is simple. Go to python.org, download Python, install it, make sure Python is added to path on Windows, and then verify the installation using the terminal. In the next lesson, we will look at the Python interpreter and see how we can start running Python commands directly.